Good morning. How y'all doing? We are in Benson, Arizona at a little park called the I-10 park. It's pretty nice. It's early and it's cold. It's cold in Arizona. It's 35 this morning and we're getting ready to roll out of here. We fought fog yesterday a couple times, so we're running a little behind. This is the park. That's the laundry over there. It's $2 to wash, I think, and $1.25 to dry. The gas dryers, though, work really well. And basically, it's just your normal little park. Nice sunrise this morning. They have about, I want to say, I thought I seen that they had like 125 slots in here. Lots of people winter over here. That is also the bathhouse. Nice restrooms, very nice. Okay, here's the laundry. Let's check it out. There's the sign. All right. Oh, they even have a hanging pole. Hey, that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, so 4 washers and 4 dryers. That's not too bad. Not too bad at all. All right, let's go around here to the restroom. Let's go check out the women's restroom. Very clean. Wow. Very nice. Let me see if I can get some light on in here. There we go. All right. Sweet. Hi. Okay. These folks just took this over. So it's very clean. 1, 2, 3, 4 stalls. Nice showers. Look at that. Very nice, very nice. Got plenty of hooks. Yeah. Got a bench. Very good. See how many of these they have. There's one. Oh, wow. That's a big shower. Wow, very nice. So there's 4 showers also. There's the handicap stall. Very nice indeed. So clean, I love it. Love it, love it. All right, and Mr. Childers says the men's restroom is just as clean. Sweet. It's mostly level, not too bad. They got a few of these little park models in here. And that's the office right up there. It's across from Denny's. The price here was $25. It is a Passport America park, so normally it's like $50 a night for this park, so we got it half price. And today is Tuesday, so we stayed last night. Mr. Childers had to watch the playoff game, you know, for college. You can see the mountains in the background. It's pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. And we are on lot 52, all hooked up. I did the laundry here and cooked a good dinner last night. And we watched the game because we have, you know, internet. Woohoo! We have Sling. It's $25 a month. But let me tell you what, if you are a sports fan or say you like, I don't know, The Walking Dead, we get all that. Love it. But each one of these sites has a pad for the picnic table. You park on gravel, but there are mountains all around. And of course, this is Benson, so they have a Walmart. They have, I'm not sure they have a Tractor Supply, but they have the Denny's, and they have all kinds of other little shops. So, you know, and you're not far away from anything. Tucson's just right up the road. You come in here, it's paved. It's very nice. Very nice indeed. Not too lit up at night, but just enough that you can see. They got all these little light poles everywhere. It's an okay park. It's very quiet, very quiet. Okay, well, we're gonna get on down the road to Quartzsite so we can pull into the RTR. Mr. Childers is getting our tanks filled up this morning, so I'm gonna go in here and check out the clubhouse. The office is on the other end. See what we got in here. Ooh, it's nice and toasty in here. It feels great. Got some chest right there, yeah. Got a recliner to watch TV, a puzzle table. People sit around and have a potluck. How about that? A pool table with some dew on it. Let's see here. A snack table. This is nice. They got a nice kitchen area. Very nice. Wow. Awesome. This park is under new management. Some friends from our home state of North Carolina. In fact, they lived like in the next town over. So, as you can see, I mean, it's not full yet, but in the next couple weeks it probably will be, because it's starting to warm up here. Oh, and I forgot. Over in that area, let's see. Over in the area on the other side of the fence, it's going to be a dog walk. That's pretty awesome. Pretty awesome indeed. Miss Lily had to have a sweater this morning. It was cold. Say, it got down to 32 last night. Say, there was ice everywhere, and I was like, oh, Mama, do I have to go potty? Do I really have to go out there? Tell everybody you'll see them at the RTR. So y'all be good now. Bye.